In this tutorial, I just wanted to talk a bit about how you can use the Maxifs and the Minifs functions to do conditional min and max in Excel. So in this instance, we have an employee named Bob, and he wants to find all the sales that employee Bob has made the max amount in this range right here of employees in sales. So to find the max sales for Bob, we do equals Maxifs, open parentheses. Now, the max range is going to be the numbers that I want to find the maximum of. So in that case, it's going to be this range right here, the sales. Comment to the next argument. The criteria range is going to be the range of employee names, is the range that our criteria is found in. So we have an employee right here. And then the last necessary argument is going to be the first criteria, which is going to be the employee name that we're going to try to find the max of, which is Bob. So you can either just do in quotations type Bob, or we can just click the cell. We're going to close parentheses. See, the maximum sales that Bob has made is 735. Now, one thing to note too is, as you can see, we can also do criteria range 2, criteria 2, criteria range 3, and so on and so forth. So we can have numerous criteria to base this Maxifs and Minifs function, which makes the function much more useful in some instances. But I just want to give a basic introduction in this tutorial. So the Minifs function is similar as well. So Minifs, the min range is the range I want to find the minimum of, which is the sales. The criteria, comment to the criteria range. The criteria range is where we are going to find our criteria, which is employee name being Bob. Criteria 1, we can either just type in quotes type Bob, or we can click the cell with Bob's name and close parentheses. And as you can see, the minimum sales that Bob has made is 630. So, and also as with the Maxifs function, we can have much more than one criteria. But I just want to give one criteria in this example. So I hope you found this introduction to the Maxifs and Minifs functions useful. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.